My name is Daniel Ramskill. I went to UNC Charlotte. I studied computer science with a minor in Japanese. I graduated in May 2018. I immediately started putting in applications for companies in my local area, and they didn't like my fast food history. So I was getting rejection letters all over the place, and I was just like, why? What? I don't have experience. They should know this. I went to college for computer science. Why aren't they interested in me? The first time I'd ever heard of Revature was when I was approached by the recruiter. What is Revature? So I started doing some research, watched all of Revature's, informative videos and stuff on their website, and it looked good. It looked like an opportunity for me to get my hands into the industry with no experience. I'm training to be a .NET developer, and we've covered topics like the ASP.NET MVC. We've covered web services, covered database software such as T-SQL and Microsoft SQL Server. And Revature's program has been slowly bringing me through each of these categories and having me work on projects that build upon all of these things like a foundation. So I learn these technologies, and then I add this new one in, and then I put that on top of another project, and I learn a new technology, and I add that onto the stack, and eventually I've got this huge structure of technologies that, when looking back, I was working on tiny little things at the beginning, and now I'm working on enterprise level project for Revature, and it's just it's impressive how far I've come in the short amount of time that I've been here. Before coming here, I didn't know how to make a user interface. I didn't know how to create a view for a website. I didn't know how to put the logic behind the buttons. I didn't know how to create a database. I was essentially just this repository of information with no way to let it out. And since coming to Revature, they've tapped into that reservoir and given me a path to allow me to use it.